So I didn't have work today and I decided to do a little project and I created my own browser and it's using Google as a search engine, but I called it C Chrome because it's my initials and then K Chrome instead of CH Chrome. Yeah, so let me go ahead and show you this. There we go. So this is the interface and I have Google as my engine. Let's say we want to go to Apple and we are browsing different kinds of products. Now we need an iPad to pair with the music and the watch. There we go. Let's say you want to refresh. You just click the refresh up here. Let's say we're scrolling through the iMac 27-inch. We want to learn more about its continuity. Blah, blah, blah. Looks amazing. But we want to go refresh. Oh, I guess. Okay, so it refreshes whatever page you're on. It doesn't take you to the home page. But let's say you want to go back. You just click the backward button. And then if you want to go forward, you click the forward button. So it's not very fancy, but it just looks cool to have your own browser. So yeah.